Hot Springs Village Inside Out is a closer look at the greatness of Hot Springs Village, Arkansas and the surrounding areas. People, places, experiences. Hot Springs Village is one of the most beautiful places on earth. Join me, Randy Cantrell, and my co-host Dennis Simpson as we engage in weekly conversations to explore Hot Springs Village Inside Out. Today's show is brought to you by Central Arkansas's favorite radio station, KVRE. Find them on the dial at 92.9 FM. Stream them live at kvre.com. RE/MAX of Hot Springs Village. The award-winning RE/MAX of Hot Springs Village is the largest real estate office inside the village with over 30 full-time agents and support staff. Visit them to learn more about this beautiful place to solve your real estate needs. Call them today at 1-800-364-9007. Find them online at explorehsv.com. They are RE/MAX of Hot Springs Village at 1-800-364-9007 or online at explorehsv.com. Ike Eisenhower State Farm. Ike and his award-winning team have been serving the insurance needs of folks all around Hot Springs Village since 1998. Ike has qualified for State Farm's President's Club, Chairman's Circle, and Hot Springs Village Insurance Agent of the Year. Call Ike Eisenhower State Farm today at 501-984-4100. That's 501-984-4100. Find them online at ikeeisenhower.net. Call them today for all your insurance needs because, like a good neighbor, Ike Eisenhower State Farm is there.
Dennis Simpson here with Mr. Ben Benson. Ben, how are we this morning, buddy?
Pretty good. Trying to stay cool for 5 minutes.
I hear tell you've been on top of a roof here or there recently. What's going on?
Oh, we got the biggest hailstorm Arkansas has ever had right now.
Well, okay, let me give this in perspective. And I literally, I've been wanting to talk to you about this and have you come look at ours. 2 miles back down this lake, back behind me, maybe even a mile and a half, is Karen and her family. They do a lot of work for us. She helps manage our Airbnbs. The hail totaled her husband's truck, did thousands of damage to hers. The entire street was covered in pine needles and leaves like there was just a tornado had come through. And less than a mile and a half away, we didn't get a drop. I mean, not a drop. What is going on?
Well, there's no question about it. She needs a roof.
Yeah, sure.
We do free inspections, and if yours doesn't have it, we can give you the peace of mind to let you know that your roof's good. But you know, a lot of people don't know that it hit because it hit real early in the morning. It hit at different times. The swath is hell is funny. It goes in straight lines, and it might hit for 20 miles, but not hit real wide. So, I mean, it's just if you were in the swath or not.
Now, I'm having a little trouble hearing you. Make sure we're not covering the microphone there. There you go. So how do we make sure that we don't have hail damage on our roof? What do we do?
Just call Benson, 501-697-2323. We'll come out there, check out your roof, take pictures, show them to you, tell you whether you got damage or not.
Well, what if I don't have any damage?
Then you can sleep better at night knowing that your roof doesn't have holes in it.
Well, let me ask this. So what does the hail do? Does it make divots in the shingles and I've got a relatively new roof. I mean, no kidding. Do I need to even have you look at it because it's so new, or what happens?
Well, yeah. I mean, a newer roof is going to take more impact than a older, deteriorated, dry roof that's already got some granule loss. If it's, depending on the size of it, if it's golf ball or what, I mean, it can very easily fracture the shingle down to the fiberglass and basically make holes to where, as it wears more with the rain and everything else, could cause leaks. and everything else.
Well, but hang on. So I've got an older roof, and today it's 100 and whatever today. It's blasting hot today. And I can see how, this kind of Arkansas summer, beating down on a roof, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, the shingles start to dry out. They start getting a little dry, whatever. We have a hailstorm come through. I don't even know that it's hailed that night. I was sleeping. I wake up, it's all melted. And all of a sudden, 6 months, 8 months later, we have a good rain and I've got a leak in my house, right? Is that what's happening?
Yes, sir. Could very well be.
Well, how long can I make a claim for my insurance, or how does that work?
I mean, I can't answer that exactly, but the quicker the better. I mean, you're not going to be going over a year,
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So the insurance company, and I have heard, and you can tell us more about this, you work with the insurance adjusters. I'd heard that the insurance adjusters literally can look at the former radar track and say, okay, this is an area where you could have had hail. Is that right?
This is an area where 1.5 inches was reported, and on this date, March 13th or March 16th, June 16th. So yes, they've got hail reports.
So they would know where the hail comes through. So let me, and I know you're a busy man today, and I appreciate you taking.
It makes it easy for them to believe
you. Well, I know you're a busy man today, and I know you got to get back to some roofing things. But the best thing to do is call what? 501
697-2323.
We'll put that under the bottom here, but 697-2323. And the purpose here is to just know if you have hail damage or not, right? New roof, old roof, whatever, just call, right?
Yes, sir. Free inspections.
Benson Restoration, and obviously you work with our good friend Mr. Kevin Meekum here in the village. So you or Kevin or somebody would come out and see us shortly, right?
Yes, sir.
From Hot Springs Village Inside Out, I'm Dennis Simpson. He's Ben Benson. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching and listening to Hot Springs Village Inside Out, a weekly podcast starring Hot Springs Village, Arkansas. Visit the website at hotspringsvillageinsideout.com.